Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe, and I'm back with another video, which means another color. We are on the brink of spring, and I could not wait to show you guys this beautiful pink with some blue undertones. I love pink lipstick, so this was all up my alley. This lipstick goes by the name of Seoul. It is so gorgeous. Can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it, mix it, lipstick.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, mix it, lipstick, mix it, mix it, lipstick, mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Before we jump into this video, in honor of Black History Month, I wanted to shout out a Black creator that goes by the name of Diamond Vanity Makeup. She has her own skincare line, and she sent me some of these nice bath time goodies. They smell so amazing. She sent me a luxury kitty cake body scrub. Well, it's a yoni scrub as well. And she also sent me a Lavish Secrets yoni soap and some yoni oil. I don't know if I'm saying it right, yoni or yani, but tomato. This chick is bomb. Her name is Diamond Vanity Makeup. Make sure you guys go to her website and get your hands on some of these lavish goodies. And also don't forget to follow her on Instagram. Her name is also the same, Diamond Vanity Makeup, at Diamond Vanity Makeup on Instagram. Alright, first things first, into this recipe. You guys already know it is my world famous lipstick base. You can get you some at veryveelobeauty.com. And then next I'm going in with some titanium dioxide. For this full recipe, please be sure to join me on my Patreon for a $5 monthly pledge to get access to all of my future recipes. You guys, I am so often inspired to make so many beautiful shades, and we're just getting started because there are so many shades, you guys. And I can't wait to share with you the recipes on my Patreon. So right here I'm going in with some Red 27 Alum Lake, and on my Patreon I share the recipes to a tester batch just so that you can get the feel of it and see if you like it first before you commit to a big batch. And I also share the recipes for the same exact shade in the big batch, so you'll have a PDF for the tester batch, which is enough for one bottle in a small tester, and you'll have the recipe for the large batch. So now I'm going in with my FD&C Blue number 1 Alum Lake, and I'm just going to add that into our bowl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sweep that in with a sweeping motion with my silicone spatula, and then after that I'm going to just take it around the bowl to make sure that I am chasing that pink with this now magenta that we have created, so that we can avoid streaking and just, create one consistent color. Alright, my lovelies, now I'm going in with a swatch check for progress, and that is exactly what I wanted. I wanted like an electric magenta. Those blue undertones really set it off. I didn't want it to be quite purple, but I didn't want it to be just pink, if that makes any sense. So that blue just kind of like really brought me in with some nice undertones, and it really rounded off the color very nice. So with that being said, I absolutely love it, and I am going to complete this beautiful shade in a matte finish. So I'm going in with my holy grail, which is the Kaolin Clay, and I am going to mix that around. I'm going to kind of sweep it in first, as well as just like how I do with when I'm adding a pigment in. I'm just going to sweep that in and basically coat all of that clay with lipstick. So when it resembles a paste, you know that you are headed in the right direction. It looks just like this. Sometimes it's a little thicker, but because of the amount of pigment, that looks perfect. So now we're going in with the Isododecane remix. You can grab this from my website, Veryveelobeauty.com, and then I'm just going to power up my hand mixer, and it is going to combine that ISO with that paste, and it's going to give us a nice moisture matte lipstick. Okay, so now I'm just filling my syringe with that finished product. It is the perfect magenta. I do not believe I have a color like this. I may have colors that are similar to this, but it is not this. So a lot of times they may look the same, but they're within the same family. Let's just say they're related, but they're not quite the same. If I put a side by side comparison, they are not the same. So you guys, I'm just going to keep coming with these beautiful different shades, with these beautiful undertones, because I truly enjoy it. Can you tell? Can't you tell how passionate I am about making these lipsticks? I absolutely love it. It's so therapeutic, it is so fun, and then it's so delightful to share. Like, I get to share it with you and my friends. I absolutely love making lipstick. I have gotten better over time. You can definitely see the growth. Make sure you leave in about a half an inch of allowance so that you can easily put in your stopper, as well as put in your wand. And if you need a bottle vendor, a hot stamp vendor, be sure to check out my website, as I have one available on there as well. But yes, this color came out beautiful. I'm wiggling the wand up and down, and that is going to get rid of any gaps that we may have had. But it turned out absolutely stunning, and I love it. This pink is so beautiful. It complements my skin tone. It makes it even harder for me to decide which pink to grab when it's time for me to wear pink. But boy, when I tell you, I am so satisfied with how it came out. I'm satisfied with the finish. I'm satisfied with the pigment and the color payoff, and it is overall bomb. So thank you guys so much for coming and watching my videos. Once again, your support is so appreciated. And yes, that is the color Soul. So bomb. Bugs, we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget, if you don't want to make this lipstick, I offer wholesale as well. And if you want to support me by grabbing a bottle, do so by grabbing a 15 milliliter retail. Thanks for watching. Bye.